Hi guys, so in this video I will try to recreate my digital signature. I made this for my digital artworks. So before we start, let me show you the materials I'm going to use. First is UV resin, the hard type. I'm so sorry that its bottle look this dirty because it's already old and experienced a lot while I'm using it, but I assure you that the resin inside is still clean. Next is silicone molder, and these cute little ones I made it using polymer clay, the cat and the 3 little hearts. I printed my signature on a transparent sticker film. Some toothpicks, tweezers, and lastly, UV lamp. But if you don't have one, you can cure UV resin using direct sunlight. And that's all we need. So now let's begin. Just wanna share something guys. Back then, the reason why I bought UV resin is for coating my polymer clay creations. But I'm having a hard time managing it, so I stopped. I only use this now to stick my clay to metal or other surface. But right now I decided to try making a pendant using it. So this is actually my first real UV resin project. And by the way guys, just a reminder, if you have a sensitive nose and skin, better use gloves and mask for your protection. So I think we already covered the bottom part. So now let's cure it using our UV lamp. After some minutes, it's hard already. Now we can stick our sticker. Then let's pour some UV resin again until it's full. Then add the polymer glaze inside. Fix the final position. Then cure it again for the final touch. Ta-da! We have a pendant. Although it got some bubbles and it's not that smooth, but I still love how it turned out. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this and see you again on my next videos. Bye bye!